Once upon a time, in a small town lived a young girl named Emma. She was a kind-hearted and curious girl who always dreamt of magical adventures. One day, an exciting opportunity came Emma's way. She won a visit to a magical chocolate factory. With joyful anticipation, Emma arrived at the magical chocolate factory. The moment she stepped inside, she was encompassed by the tantalizing aroma of cocoa. Her eyes sparkled with delight as she saw rows and rows of chocolates, each more exquisite than the last. As Emma explored the factory, she stumbled upon a counter filled with brightly colored, sparkling candies. Curiosity getting the better of her, she picked up a candy and took a bite. Suddenly, her body started to float gently in midair. She giggled with glee, relishing the feeling of weightlessness. Next, Emma noticed a table of chocolates that shone with a rainbow glow. She couldn't resist, but try one. As soon as she took a bite, an explosion of colors burst from her mouth, painting the entire room with vibrant hues. Emma twirled and danced among the colors, feeling as if she had stepped into a magical painting. The magic didn't stop there. Emma discovered a batch of chocolates that made her tiny whenever she ate them. She ran around the factory, exploring every nook and cranny, feeling like a little explorer in a world of giants. But amidst all the magical treats, Emma realized that she was not sharing these delightful sweets with anyone. Realizing her mistake, Emma decided to fill her bag with the chocolates she had enjoyed the most and headed back to town. Emma's family and friends couldn't believe their eyes when she handed out the enchanting chocolates. Each person experienced their own delightful surprises, and the joy on their faces made Emma's heart warm with contentment. In that moment, she understood the true meaning of happiness, not keeping the magic to herself, but spreading it to others. From that day forward, Emma made it her mission to bring joy to everyone she met. She started sharing not just chocolates, but also her time, kindness, and love. The magical chocolate factory had not only given her delightful sweets, but also taught her the joy of sharing. And so, Emma's adventure at the magical chocolate factory brought magic not just to her own life, but to all those around her. Thanks for watching another story from Impel Kids Videos. Today, we joined Emma on her enchanting journey to a magical chocolate factory, a place filled with wonder, color, and delightful surprises. Emma's adventure was not just about experiencing the magic of floating candies or vibrant chocolate rainbows. It taught us a much deeper lesson about happiness and sharing. As Emma explored the wonders of the factory, she realized that joy becomes even more special when shared with others. The magic of the chocolates was not just in their extraordinary effects, but in the happiness they brought when given to family and friends. Emma learned that true contentment comes from spreading joy and happiness to those around us. Her decision to share the magical chocolates with her loved ones showed us the importance of generosity. It's a reminder that the greatest gifts we can give are not always material, but often the simple acts of kindness, time, and love. As we end our story, let's take a moment to reflect on the magic of sharing in our own lives. Like Emma, we can all bring a little bit of magic into the world by sharing what we have with others. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next story here on Impel Kids Videos. And now, look at the thought-provoking questions on your screen. Discuss them, and think about how you can spread joy and happiness in your own life. Until next time, keep sharing, keep caring, and keep creating magical moments for yourself and those around you.